Show that I'm wearing my collar.
He just put this collar on.
That is not true. Are we rolling?
Yes.
Okay, so we've got Barrow as our patient, and he has a ganglion cyst. How long ago did you first notice this?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, okay. So a couple of weeks ago, he had this knot that came up on his wrist, and his wife sent him in and said, do something about this because it's grossing me out. So we're going to aspirate it for him, and we're going to do it with a collar on, right? Okay, because I had surgery. It'll be 1 month ago to tomorrow, as a matter of fact, okay? So I am a little jittery, but better, right? Does it make you feel more confident?
Yeah, sure.
Not a bit. All right, Gabby Jean, how about down here? Let's do this.
This is hard.
What? Oh, yeah. You have
to try to use the spray and record.
Right, but I think if anybody can do it, you can.
Thanks for having faith.
I know you can do it. So there is our ganglion cyst right there. It actually feels very firm. It almost feels like it's not cystic. It almost feels like a mass. So there's always a slightest possibility that it could be something different, but I doubt it. Some 4x4s, please.
Should have had Jamie to come do this.
Oh, what? Get the camera? We could have. Yeah, there we go. That's going to be good. If you're ready to spray, we're going to do a little stick, sting, and a burn is what you're going to feel, Mr. Barrow. Are you ready?
Ready.
That's,
oh, sorry.
That's a little cold spray. Okay. Now you're going to feel a little stick, sting, and a burn. How'd we do? Did we call it?
Yep.
Okay. Got that. Step 1. Step 2, we're going to put the big needle in. Are you nervous?
I just don't like the look.
Yeah, I wouldn't look at this
I'll watch the video.
I'd watch the video. Little stick. Hopefully you won't feel it.
Don't feel it.
Uh-oh, we're not getting anything out. That's what I was afraid of, that this was actually more solid feeling. Okay, let's come back out. Let's try one more time. Nothing's coming out here, my friend.
Is that a bad sign?
Well, it means that either this is older than you think it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or it's a solid mass, which I don't think it is. I think this is I definitely think this is a ganglion cyst, but I think it's been here for a while. Yeah. And for some reason, it's not wanting to aspirate. Oh, here it is. We're getting some jelly out now.
It's just jelly?
Well, it's really super thick. You see that coming out of there, Gumby?
Yeah.
Super duper thick.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that at least parts of this have been here longer than you think they might have been, because it takes a while for that to really solidify like that.
Feel pain?
A little bit.
It's good that it's not me that's feeling the pain right now. That would be wrong.
But not bad. Nothing.
Nothing that we need to inject you more for?
No, we're good.
Okay, so we got very little out, but it's enough to where we took the bump away.
Yep.
Yeah. So we're going to go back in with a little cortisone while this is still numb, and just give you a little bit of juice.
That help kind of reduce the swelling around?
Well, what I'm hoping that it'll do is reduce the inflammation so that this is less likely to return. Research really doesn't support injecting cortisone in these. However, my experience has been people seem to be less likely to have to return to have them aspirated again right away if I put a little bit of cortisone in there and then just make sure I work it around. Now, I don't know why the researchers didn't get that same result, but I did. Okay, you can let go. Now put your arm out flat. There you go. Well, we got it out.
Yeah.
I mean, it didn't look like much.
Yeah.
But clearly we got some really thick, synovial type fluid out.
Okay.
And I think you're in good shape here. I think you got a good shot at this not returning right away. Now, if it does come back, well, we can try to aspirate it one more time. Right. Usually what I'll do is aspirate them up to 2 times. And if they return after that, go ahead and send them over to a hand surgeon and talk about having a surgical procedure to remove it. Yeah. But hopefully that won't be your case. Hopefully this will just go away. Hey, thanks for letting us record. Oh, I meant to ask you, is it okay if we video you for YouTube and all our friends on the internet? And
sure, yeah, absolutely.
Hi guys, this is Gumby. Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
Hey guys, this is Vanessa, and I've been using Meta 7 for about a month now. It's really helped me since having a baby. I had a little bit postpartum, and I think after having it, after taking it, it made the wiring in my brain come back together. I feel like my old self, and I have a lot of energy. I'm not wired up or anything. It feels natural, and I recommend this product to everyone. So get your bottle of Meta 7 today.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.